On the outside, a smart warehouse looks like any other building. On the inside, innovative technology like autonomous vehicles, drones, sensors, and wearables are creating a more intelligent supply chain. At Ryder, we're using these technologies to deliver the 5 key attributes we identified that define a smart warehouse. Automate where necessary, remain nimble, scale instantaneously, deliver 100% real-time visibility, and provide a customer-centric experience. Here's a quick look how each technology functions in a smart warehouse. Autonomous vehicles, such as forklifts and transporters, provide efficient and reliable solutions for moving goods, improving visibility and increasing productivity. In Ryder managed warehouses, automated forklifts produce 20% operating savings. Aerial drones travel through facilities, mapping the warehouse and updating data on inventory and facility conditions. Manually, this task could take up to 1 day for 2 or more employees and at least 1 scissor lift to complete. Using a drone, the task can be completed up to 66% faster. Sensors and identification tools automatically locate and profile warehouse inventory to capture and communicate data while providing real-time visibility. Sensor types include safety, motion, light, and climate control that are integral in chain of custody reports as they minimize risk, improve accuracy, and cut costs. Wearable technology creates the capability to exchange data between devices and the network to support core processes such as shipping, receiving, routing, inventory management, picking, and replenishment. At Ryder managed warehouses, wearables decrease the time it takes to pick and scan inventory by 5 seconds per item and improves efficiency by 20%. Ryder is building the warehouses of tomorrow today. With smart warehouses that are flexible, automated, scalable, and customer-focused, supply chains can quickly become the most valuable tool in driving efficiency and meeting customer needs. Consumers are getting smarter. It's time your warehouse does too.